What is going on? This is Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. What is happening? So, I want to talk to you about Easy1Up. Easy1Up has been around since 2016. It was towards the month of August that I got started with Easy1Up, and I've been able to make over $66,000, almost $67,000 on complete autopilot. I just recently relaunched this business. I'm going to start promoting it because it's still on fire, right? Just in the last couple of days, you can see right here, was able to make, let me just go ahead and move myself around here. I received an email saying, right, July 26, 2018, received an email saying that I had received a payment of $500 for the Vertex Elite level. And then also I received another one the day previous to that on July 25th, sending me a message. You have received the power on payment amount of $500 for the Vertex Elite. So, and then, you know, I've just been receiving multiple commissions, $250 commissions nonstop, $500 commissions, right, in the last couple of days. And so super excited about that. Since I started relaunching this business, Easy1Up has definitely been a blessing. And so the product, the training that is inside of Easy1Up is one of the best trainings that I have ever seen with any business opportunity. And so that's why I want to go ahead and push it. There's a lot of people that have asked me, hey, Jen, are you still promoting Easy1Up? I definitely am. I just haven't done a video in a while, but Easy1Up is still my baby. So I'm going to show you exactly the products that you get, right? I'm going to go ahead and just move myself a little bit here, but I'm going to show you the products that you get. What you want to do is go to successwithadriana.info. Go ahead and enter your email address here and just press on get access now. And you're going to see a whole bunch of testimonials from my team and so forth. But what is Easy1Up? Easy1Up is a very simple direct sales business, right? Where you can position yourself to earn 100% commissions on a daily basis, right? And so you can do this part-time. When I started Easy1Up, I was actually working part-time at a hotel. I used to work part-time at a hotel. And when I was working at the hotel, right, I kept receiving commission after commission, right? $500 commissions a pop, just receiving them nonstop. And so Easy1Up is the business that gave me my massive breakthrough, right? And I was able to quit my full-time job, and then I started doing this full-time. This is what Easy1Up did for me, and I'm super grateful for it. And so the training, again, that you're going to get, right, depending on which level you come into, I highly suggest that you come in at the higher levels, because if you do, for example, if you come in, let's say you come in at the $500 level, the Vertex Elite, you're going to receive all this training that you see right here, plus all the rest of the lower levels. You're going to get access to the Vertex $250 training level, right? You're going to get access to the Elevation Elite $100 level, all this information right here. And then you're going to get access to the $25 elevation level, okay? Plus, you will position yourself to earn at a higher level. So if you're promoting, right, Easy1Up, you're going to be able to earn not only the $500 commissions, but also the $250, the $100, and the $25 commissions as well. What I highly suggest is to come in at the highest level, because the more that you invest in yourself, the more you're going to earn. It's just, you know, a simple rule, but that's how it works. And so what is the product of Easy1Up? The products is pretty much digital marketing training. It teaches you exactly how to build a business from the ground up, right? If you have been looking for different ways on how to make money online, Easy1Up, they have a full library, right, of audios, of videos that are going to show you how to promote this business properly, right? I'm also going to give you a bonus training, my exclusive training, right? Coming in at the $500 level, you're going to get access to my exclusive training where I show you exactly how I was able to make almost $67,000 on complete autopilot doing this just part-time. And so this is only for serious people. I know there's a lot of people that ask me, hey, Adriana, do you have any high ticket offers that I can be a part of? And so Easy1Up is my best recommendation if you want to position yourself to earn $1,000 commissions, $500 commissions, $250 commissions. So having that said, if you want to go ahead and get the full details, I'm going to go ahead and invite you. Go to successwithadriana.info. Make sure you enter your email right here. Get access now. Take a look at all the details. Get started with my team today. And then message me on Facebook so I can give you access to the exclusive training to get you up and running as soon as possible. Other than that, I will see you at the top.